how to edit ebooks on Visme. I'm going to show you how you can edit ebooks on Visme. Log in to your Visme account. In your dashboard, click on Create New from the top left side of your screen to create a new project. You then choose the Documents category from the list of visual content options and select Ebook. A set of well-put templates will show up, and select the one that fits your needs. If you change your mind later about the template, it's easy to change. All templates here will be available on the left-hand panel inside the editor. Now, to add new text to your presentation, click the Basics tab from the left panel. There are many styles of text blocks you can use. On the top right corner, click plus Add Page if you want to add more ebook pages. You add a template side or simply add a blank page. Once you're done, it is time to publish your ebook. With Visme, you can share or publish your ebook and fully manage it for web or online use. To do so, click Share at the top right of the screen.